This video provides an overview of what a hybrid bill is. A hybrid bill is draft legislation that affects public and private interests. It seeks to secure powers from Parliament to construct and operate major infrastructure projects of national importance. Previous hybrid bills have been approved for Phase 1 of HS2 in 2017 and Phase 2A in 2021, and both schemes are now underway. Currently, a hybrid bill is being prepared for the western leg of HS2 Phase 2B, between Crewe and Manchester, with a connection to the West Coast Main Line. Any future phases will be the subject of separate bills. Documents published alongside the hybrid bill will include an environmental statement, which will report the results of an environmental impact assessment carried out to identify the impacts of the proposed scheme and describe how they would be managed. Draft environmental minimum requirements, which will set out the environmental and sustainability commitments that will be observed during the construction phase. For example, a draft code of construction practice. Parliamentary plans and sections, showing the works and land required for the construction and operation of the proposed scheme. A book of reference, detailing the land interests affected. And an estimate of expense, which will set out the costs of the proposed scheme. Changes to hybrid bills during their passage through Parliament aren't unusual, and these can be made as a result of design development, new information being received, engagement and discussions with affected individuals and stakeholders, or changes introduced during the parliamentary process. We will continue to engage with individuals and stakeholders throughout the hybrid bill parliamentary process. People will have an opportunity to provide their views on the environmental impact of the scheme in a formal public consultation on the environmental statement, which will be carried out by Parliament shortly after the deposit of the bill. Those who feel strongly about the bill or project in principle have the same opportunity to influence Parliament's consideration of a hybrid bill as they would any other government bill, and can contact their MP or a member of the House of Lords to express their views to inform the debates and votes that will take place on the bill. In due course, those whose property or interests are directly or specially affected by the proposals in the bill may petition against it in the House of Commons and/or the House of Lords. A petition against a hybrid bill is different from a paper petition or an e-petition. It's a document in a specific format explaining a person or an organisation's objection to the proposals in a bill. It should also set out what action the petitioner would like to be taken in response. Guidance on petitioning will be made available by Parliament in advance of the petitioning periods. Further information on the HS2 hybrid bill process can be found on our website at www.hs2.org.uk/phase2b/factsheets. If you need help understanding what this means for you, you can contact our help desk team, who are available all day, every day, to answer any questions you may have.